Hey everyone, welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to learn all about setting up our hacking lab. This main section have 4 different parts. First, we will learn how to build our hacking environment. Then we will learn everything about hacking lab. After that, we are gonna cover about Kali Linux. So Kali Linux is a hacking operating system which is widely used by hackers, and we will learn everything about Kali Linux from beginner to advanced. And last but not least, some of the basic customization like increasing our internet speed so that we can work with ease. So in the hacking lab part, we'll be learning about VirtualBox, how to download and install it, how to set up hacking machines, and much more. Then we'll be learning about Kali Linux. We'll be setting up the latest version of Kali Linux operating system and use it like a pro. Also, we'll need a Metasploit operating system for further use in this course, so we'll learn about it and install it. And of course, installing different operating system inside our VirtualBox will help us to attack safely. That's why we will be installing different operating system like Windows, macOS and Ubuntu. And last but not least, we'll be installing different mobile platforms inside our VirtualBox so that we can attack it and learn how to hack mobiles. So all of the installation needs some configuration so that we can use it with 100% functionality and power. So we will be covering that also. And thanks for watching this video. And please don't forget to give rating to this course. It's really important for us, and see you in the next video.